There are 6 C's when it comes to motivation for entrepreneurs. And the first C I wanted to talk about is challenge. As an entrepreneur, I love a challenge. And I don't have to look at outside sources to challenge myself. What I do is I set my tasks for the day, and then I set a timer and I see how much I can get done. To keep us moving and keep us going, we don't have a boss looking over our shoulder and asking us, hey, did you get that project done? Or, what are you doing? Can you do this for me? It's all 100% on you to move your business forward, to get all your work done, to go get more clients, to service your existing clients, to do all the things that you need to do as an entrepreneur to keep your business going and keep your motivation up, because it's super easy to just be tired and lazy. And I'm not saying that if you're tired that's lazy, but sometimes we're just kind of lazy sometimes. I just don't want to do the thing today, but you have to, because there's nobody else that's paying your paycheck, but you got to go out and get it, right? You've got to create new products, you've got to create new services, you've got to go get new customers, new clients, do more videos, do more social media posting. You've got to do more than anybody else, because the business is all you. So a challenge is one of the biggest big C's in motivation that drives an entrepreneur. So I would love it if you could put in the comments, what can you do today to challenge yourself to do more, be more, get more, whatever, fill in the more. But what do you do to motivate yourself when it comes to running your business as a solopreneur or an entrepreneur or a small business owner? Fill in the blank and let me know what it is. I would love to see your comments.